Sumit, this one's for you. What piece of clothing do you think has to be in your suitcase, but it feels so air-like, baggage ka tension nahi hota? You need it. You need it as much as anything else which you do in your suitcase when you're traveling.
Shorts. If I could, I would just live in shorts and a t-shirt.
That was the shortest answer, but thank you so much, Sumit. Lovely.
I also would like to tell the men that they
Yes.
should also wear comfortable things, other than
Thank
when they
you.
are constantly pulling things out, it never looks
Thank
good.
you. I was actually
Just
going to come
talk
to
to
Sumit again.
people and then understand what shape is suiting and then just go for it. What's the big deal?
But Smith, that's a good point. Most
Yeah.
men don't know
No.
exactly what's the
I
difference
also
between a
felt shy. I went to
boxer
this-
brief, correct?
I went to this store and there was this young girl and I was looking at obviously undergarments and then she came and said, what would you like? And then I was like, no, I was just browsing around and I started, unnecessarily I bought a t-shirt where I wanted to buy that. Then she chased me down and said, you want to buy them? I said, yeah, I do. It's like, which one? Like these are like this and then this one comes up till here. And I'm like, I don't know why, but I've come too close to you now in the past 5 minutes. We are like really close. And
हमारे बीच का पर्दा गिर चुका है.
बहुत नजदीक आ गए हैं हम लोग इस बातचीत में. Then I explained to her that नहीं ये भी और ये भी. Let me go the whole hog. सब ट्राई करके देखता हूँ eventually because ये आप वापस तो लोगे नहीं. तो yeah.
Also return नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
ट्राई नहीं कर सकते ना.
ट्राई नहीं कर सकते
हाँ.
ना.
अंडरगारमेंट्स में आप बॉटम्स नहीं
अब
ट्राई
हम
कर
सब बहुत क्लोज आ चुके
Right?
हैं.
अब हम लोग बहुत नजदीक आ
बहुत ज्यादा
चुके हैं.
इंटीमेट हो
अब
चुका है.
हम एक परिवार हैं.
हम एक
Yes.
परिवार है. Sumit, it's important और ये वापस से like we've seen this right now. When we talk about lingerie, we're serious. When we talk about chaddi, underwear, we're joking. And that also should
waiting
change.
for this word to come. ऐसे
Chaddi,
ये
no?
अभी तक क्यों नहीं आया?
Chaddi is just easier, but it's just amazing how when it comes to the men, it's a matter of laughing stock. I mean, when it's lingerie, then it suddenly becomes very, they have to talk with, a certain sense of responsibility.
Yes.
So I'm glad that you. I'm trying to
I'm
be
hurt.
serious here. I'm glad that you're hurt, and so are y'all. And where we can get this opportunity to listen. So thank you for being so candid in a family.